Here's a pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone or a Samsung phone. All right, this is a Samsung Galaxy S25. So in order for us to connect this phone, let's first go to settings. Okay, so let's go to settings here. I'm going to go to connections and I'm going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. Let's tap on Bluetooth. Now, the spinny thing here is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, and it should show up under here under available devices, okay? So just simply have your buds in the case, open it up. We'll know that these are in pairing mode if it shows up over here, okay? Or if you have the Samsung wearable app on your Samsung phone or another Android phone, if this is in pairing mode, you'll get that little window that pops up. You can connect that way as well. Now, nothing's showing up here, okay? Stop scanning, I'll scan it again. Nothing's showing up. The reason why it's not showing up on here for me is because I'm connected to a different device, another phone, all right? So for me, I'm gonna manually put these in pairing mode. On the bottom here, there's a little button here. Okay, I'm gonna press and hold, ready, set, go. Press and hold and wait till this light here changes 3 colors. Holding, wait, red, green, blue, let go. Now it's in pairing mode, okay? So now we can go ahead and connect to this one. See if you get the wearable app that pops up here, then you can connect that way. If you don't have the wearable app, it's no problem. You can just simply go back to Bluetooth, make sure it's toggled on, and then we'll scan it. Well, recent. Let me turn off Bluetooth. Let me turn it back on. And then, okay, now it's scanning. Okay, now I found it. Galaxy Buds 3, so let's tap on that. We should get a pairing request with Android phones. Let's tap on pair. And voila, we're paired and connected and ready to go. Question, or if you still have issues, you can always factory reset these as well. If you need to do that, look below in the description below. Good luck.